Hey guys, Jacob Coyle here with MarineMax Clearwater and Aquila Power Catamarans. Today we're going to take a look at one of our in-stock Aquila 36s. This particular boat is what we call our fish and dive package. First thing you're going to notice before you even enter onto the boat is the nice wraparound railing in the back of the boat. Provides extra safety when you're using this back platform here. Also, you'll notice you've got a very heavy-duty ladder, so if you are climbing in and out of the boat with your dive gear on, plenty of handles to hang on to, as well as the steps are extra wide. This boat is also equipped with our Mercury 350 Verado engines. You can outfit the boat with 300s or twin 400s. So this one right here, we've got our 350s on. As you come up onto the boat, again, notice the safety rails here. Makes perfect use of this whole aft area. Okay, really utilizes the space on the boat. What you're gonna have in here is you're gonna have some storage, miscellaneous items you can throw in there, fishing tackle, life jackets, anything you would need. Notice you've got rod holders here. Okay, we've got 5 of them, plenty of space for your rods. Notice how you're not height restricted, so you can have as big as rods as you need, as small as rods as you need. As you walk in, there is a safety gate here, which does block off the cockpit area, creates an extra level of safety. Now what we've got here, as you continue to walk in, we'll start over here on the port side. We do have a live well, and as you can see, the live well is very, very spacious. We also have the see-through top, so no issues. You don't have to open the live well in order to see what's inside of it. As you move middle, you've got a giant fish locker here. Plenty of room for whatever you catch that day. Or if you aren't fishing, this could be a great spot. Throw some ice in there. This can be double up as a giant cooler. We do have a dive tank storage system right here. This is an option with the boat. So if you were diving, this is an example of a way you could set the boat up. And then what you have over here on the starboard side, you've got your grill. So again, you're out fishing, you want some fresh catch, cook it up right here, serve it. Okay, very, very good accessory for this boat. Also notice when you have all of these in the down position, you have plenty of table space. So if you do, they can all double up as a bait prep area, whatever you can use. Get a piece of starboard, put it on top, cut up your bait, whatever you need. So plenty of space here. As we move forward into the cockpit salon area, this particular boat is equipped with your cockpit AC. So you've got your AC vents here, and then you've got a couple more up here I'll show you in a second. So this whole area can be air conditioned. Really takes the edge off on those really warm summer days. Over here you got your galley area, sink. This particular boat's got your Kenyan cooktop. You've got storage under here, and then you've got a fridge here with plenty of space for what you need. We also have an outlet right here just in case you do want to add a microwave of some sort, or for a blender or whatever you need, whatever you use on your boat. We do have an outlet right there. Over here, plenty of seating area. As you can see, the table does fold up, so if you needed to scoot around, you could. This table does fold up. Also, the seat does flip to make that a more social area. As you continue to walk forward, over here at the helm, we've got our twin screens on this boat. If you notice too, off to the right, you do have our Mercury joystick piloting. Mercury joystick piloting on this particular boat will come with autopilot included. That's a great feature of the Mercury joystick piloting. We also got your VHF, and then you also have your spotlight. Notice too, your panel for your instrumentation is very, very simple right here. Push a button, turns lights on, turns lights off. Again, very simple, very well labeled, not much to mess up on that one. As you continue to move forward, we have 2 staterooms, 1 stateroom, 1 head here, 1 stateroom, 1 head here. We're gonna walk to the front of the boat, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the staterooms. As you come up here, the social atmosphere is really amazing on this boat. Over here to the port side, you'll notice that we've got the seats in the social atmosphere where you can sit either way. You can socialize. Notice lighted cup holders, you've got speakers. Also notice you got great handrails here. So if you are cruising, it does get a little bumpy or something, there's always something to hang on to. Now, if you look on the starboard side, this is the other position. You could have this whole thing be a sun pad. So both sides do the same thing. Again, great sun pad. You can easily fit 3 adults, 2 adults, a bunch of kids, whatever you choose to do. And then forward, we do have the windlass here. We also have an access port, so if you do wanted to beach this on a sandbar, you can access from the bottom of the boat. Storage underneath, under my feet, for your water skis. You got a wet storage area under there. Let's take a look at the staterooms to see what we have. On the port side, and as you come in, you'll notice plenty of headroom. Okay, you'll also notice how deep the beds are. No problem. 6 feet, 6'2", 6'3", no problem getting in there, sleeping. Your feet aren't going to be hanging off. We do have extra storage up here. Okay, so you can store linens or whatever you need, a bag if you're overnighting, things like that. We've got more storage up there. Notice the windows. You've got tons of windows which allow natural light to come in. 36-foot boat, right? It's got 2 staterooms and 2 heads. When you go into the staterooms, it's very, very open and airy feeling because of how big the windows are. And then what you're going to have here is you're going to have the head. Very spacious head. Again, look at the height here. No issues there. You do have more storage back here. Okay, you've got a hanging rack here, so if you need to hang some stuff, there's a hanging rack back there. You can do so. And then what you also have is you've got your shower doubles up. You hook it up here. Use this as a shower area as well. Again, as we walk around the boat, notice how wide everything is. Notice how spacious everything is. Remember, it's a 36-foot boat. You have the exact same thing on the other side, mirrored image of each other. The only difference is you've got your instrumentation panel. So if you look right here, you've got your instrumentation panel. Okay, and again, everything is very well labeled, very easily accessible. Last thing I'm going to point out on this boat is this has got the 2 electrical sliding hatches. So this hatch and this hatch, push a button, they open automatically. Push another button, they close. Very nice feature. No more unscrewing stuff, flipping up the tops. Thank you very much for tuning in today. Again, this is Jacob Coyle with MarineMax Clearwater and Aquila Power Catamarans. Call us if you have any other questions.